Hi Mithil and Lakshya. I've recently read an article stating that dead carcasses of fish have been found on the shoreline of various seas containing pieces of plastic in their gut region.
Oh no, it's sad.
Hello Erkin and Lakshay. Yes, it's sad. Many other incidents such as this have been happening across the globe. All this has happened due to microplastics.
Oh, what are microplastics?
Well, microplastics are particles smaller than a thumbnail and it can't be even seen by naked eyes. Microplastics damage the surroundings.
I wonder how they're formed.
It's simple. They are formed when big chunks of plastic waste breaks into small fragments and there are also two types of plastics. The first category is primary mass microplastics used for commercial uses like cosmetics, fishing, etc. The second category is secondary microplastics that are the fragments of larger plastic items such as water bottles.
Now I understand. Are there any countries that are affected by microplastic waste?
Let me answer.
Yes, Lakshay, you may answer.
China is one of the countries that has been worst affected by microplastic waste in its freshwater ecosystems. Not only the citizens are at stake, but the whole ecosystem is on stake, as microplastic waste is also found in coral reef systems situated in the South China Sea, and microplastics are also ingested by a range of organisms, and they also die due to the impact of leaching of toxic plastic waste. And Indonesia is also one of the countries worst affected by microplastic waste. But here in Indonesia, microplastics are found on people's food tables, as these microplastics are eaten by planktons, which in turn are eaten by manta rays and whale sharks. And when these manta rays and whale sharks are served for dining, these microplastics enter the person's body and cause severe health issues.
What problems do we face from microplastics?
These microplastics block the supply of water chains and in turn endanger supply of water to the various people of various countries. Aquatic animals die due to ingesting microplastics as they affect the behavior of an individual and alter their feeding habits.
Are there any solutions to microplastics?
There are various solutions wherein scientists have devised a way to use bacteria and nanotechnology to eliminate microplastics from water.
I also have an idea. As we know that microplastics are very harmful, thus its disposal would be a good option. What we can do is that we can use ferrofluids or magnetic fluids and add them in water, which would make the plastic present in water accumulate and float at the top, and that plastic can be easily skewed from the top. The plastic content which would be left or the polypropylene is completely harmless and won't cause considerable damage to the user. To make it safer, we can make magnetic fluids using vegetable oils. We are targeting water treatment plants as it provides us with the technology to skew and remove any impurities caused by both ferrofluid or the plastic.
I hope that these solutions would bring considerable results in eliminating microplastics.
We would like to thank all the teachers to give us such an opportunity to present our ideas and innovation in this competition. Thank you.